Hi, and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating process of ejaculation in men. Whether you're curious or simply want to learn more about the human body, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step. Ejaculation is a natural process and an essential part of male reproductive physiology. It's not just a physical act, but a complex mechanism involving several systems of the body, including the nervous, muscular, and reproductive systems. The process begins with arousal, which can be triggered by physical stimulation, visual cues, thoughts, or emotions. This arousal signals the brain to release chemicals that prepare the body for ejaculation. Blood flows into the penis, causing it to become erect, while the body starts producing seminal fluid in anticipation. Ejaculation occurs in two main phases, emission and expulsion. Let's look at each in more detail. During the emission phase, seminal fluid is produced and moves into the urethra. This fluid contains sperm from the testes, secretions from the prostate gland, and fluids from the seminal vesicles. These components come together to form semen. This process is controlled by the autonomic nervous system, specifically the sympathetic branch, which coordinates muscle contractions to move the fluid forward. The second phase, expulsion, is where the semen is ejected out of the body. This involves strong rhythmic contractions of the pelvic muscles, including the bulbospongiosus muscle, which propels semen through the urethra and out of the penis. The expulsion phase is also accompanied by orgasm, which is the pleasurable sensation associated with ejaculation. Hormones like testosterone play a critical role in maintaining sexual function and the production of sperm. Nerve signals, primarily from the spinal cord, orchestrate the entire process to ensure everything happens in the right sequence. After ejaculation, the body enters a recovery phase called the refractory period. During this time, it's not possible to have another ejaculation as the body resets and prepares for the next cycle. The length of the refractory period varies from person to person. Ejaculation is a complex yet perfectly coordinated process that involves various systems working together. It's a reminder of how intricate and amazing the human body really is. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. And as always, if you have questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.